Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Szechuan flavored spicy white radish salad. If you happen to like spicy food, you will definitely love this recipe. So now let's start cooking. We first need to peel the white radish. This step is optional. If you like to eat the skin of white radish, you can choose to keep it. Now cut it like this. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let the radish marinate for half an hour. After half an hour, there will be juice which comes from the radish. Get rid of the juice. Now chop some green and red chilies. Add them to the radish. Also mice some garlic and ginger. Add them to the radish too. Don't forget to add 1 spoon of Szechuan pepper. Now use a pan to heat up some cooking oil. Pour the hot oil into the bowl. Hot oil will make the garlic, ginger, and Szechuan pepper taste better. For the seasoning, we need 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, some sugar. Mix well and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.